Uthe uqala nje umbuthano wezinkulungwane zezisebenzi eKapa, iCOSATU yakubeka kwacaca ukuthi izokweseka iANC uma sekuvotwa ngoNhlaba.
On the 29th of May, we will stand by the ANC as we unleash our election machinery.
iCOSATU ithi alikho iqembu elisamele izisebenzi kusukela ngesikhathi sencindezelo kuze kube manje ngaphandle kaKhongolose.
It is not any other political party except the African National Congress. It is the only party that is tested to have stood with workers.
iANC ithi isebenza ngokuzikhandla ukwehlisa isibalo esiphezulu sentsha engasebenzi futhi angeke ishiye ngaphandle labo abaphakathi kweminyaka engu-35 yaphezulu.
But comrades, our government is not leaving those who are 35 and above aside. And we say even those who are 35 and above need to be prioritized to get jobs.
uRamaphosa uthi iANC iyohlala njalo ilwela izisebenzi.
We say that we will continue to fight for the rights of workers. Noma bayathanda, noma abathandi, iANC izohlala ihamba nabasebenzi.
Unxuse ukuthi abantu baphume ngothi lwabo beyovotela iANC ngomhla ka-29 kuNhlaba.
Say nywe, 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 nywe. Saying that the ANC is going to be below 50%. I want to give them a very clear message. The workers of this country, the people of this country are not going to allow the ANC to go below 50%.
Umengameli we-ANC uvumile ukuthi luselude uhambo okusamele luhanjwe ukulwela izisebenzi njengokuvala igebe elikhona labantu abasebenzayo ngokobuhlanga, ukubuyiselwa komhlaba kubanikazi bawo kanye nokugcizelela ukuqashwa kwabantu besifazane ezikhundleni eziphezulu.